A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday, January 8th, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, January 8th, and we came to Laredo. We're at Target. We have to buy some stuff for little miss, and we decided that we were just going to bring you guys along for today, as always.
Hey guys, you know what 100 plus 100
It's your
is?
outfit.
100 plus 100 is 200. And 200 plus 200 is 400.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a...
Is it yummy? So I decided to try a new drink. It's still the pink drink, but I got a whole bunch of like substitutes.
And I said I wanted a macchiato.
You don't drink macchiatos, Laredo. You got everything?
I think so.
Grecia wants to show you guys her little cake pop first. So cute. I usually always get a regular like pink drink, but this time the TikTok said if you like fresas con crema, get the pink drink but sub the milk for heavy cream and add 3 scoops of vanilla bean powder. This is what it ended up looking like. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's still pink, but it has like a frosty color to it, and it's thicker.
You give it a 10 out of what?
Literally tastes like fresas con crema. Do you want to try it? She got a dragon drink and her little cake pop, and Bert always gets the iced caramel macchiato with extra caramel drizzle and vanilla cream cold foam. Oh yeah, with oat milk instead of regular milk. So good. Now where are we going?
You know, that's the one that Wendy gave me, and then that's just stuck with that one. I never tasted any other one.
Yeah.
Oh, tidies and comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidies and comfort and joy.
literally all we came for is oil for the truck. And the little one?
Daddy, wait. I want to show you something.
You're gonna get daddy. Cute.
I'll probably give it to my baby brother when he comes.
We stopped to pick up, no, not to pick up. We stopped to eat at Tacos Express. Let's see how good it is. We just got home. It is 5:25 and I'm gonna end up showing you guys what it is that we got today at Target. It was only a couple things and I think we spent like $135. We did go to Walmart and we picked up some oil for the truck. We did pick up the oil and like a lotion. I'll show you guys right now, but from Target we did end up getting Grecia some socks. School is about to start again on Tuesday and she needed some more socks, so I just got her some no-show girl socks medium, 10.5 to size 4.
My mom got them for me because I'm grown. Didn't you know, guys? I'm taller than my height when I was 5 because now I'm 6.
And then I also got her 2 pairs of jeans, but this one I loved, but they don't fit her. They're too tight and she's already wearing a size 8, so I'm gonna have to go back and exchange these for a size 10. And then the next thing that I got was this CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. This is probably like the best face wash I feel because it literally takes off everything. It removes makeup, like anything you have on your face, dirt, it'll take it off. It says that it cleanses, hydrates, and removes makeup without disrupting the protective skin barrier. It has amino acids, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. And then the next thing, I did buy this at Walmart though. This was about $13. This is the Aveeno Eczema Therapy Daily Moisturizing Cream. I do put this on my skin every time I wash my face afterwards because I feel like my skin gets very tight. It doesn't matter if I use a hydrating cleanser, like even with this one I still have to put this stuff on because even right now, like I feel like you can still see some like not dark spots, you guys can still see some dry patches, and if I don't use this, my skin will become flaky. It doesn't make sense to me, but I've been using this. I forgot who it was, one of you guys who recommended this for me, and I've been using it ever since. It literally works like a charm. And then the next thing I picked up was this Real Techniques face brush. I had just bought one of these, but when I did that one-on-one session, I did gift it to her, so I wanted to buy another one just to have one in my collection because that is like my favorite brush. And then I picked up 2 packs of lashes. I use the Ardell ones a lot for my clients, and I fell in love with these. These are the naked lashes in the style 421. So this is what these look like. And then I also found the 3D faux mink lashes, and these are the style 858. And these look super pretty. What I like about them is that they're so fluffy. They're very lightweight and the band is clear. And then I just picked up some more lash glue. This is my favorite lash glue. It's the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. And then the last thing that I bought was this Tree Hut Watermelon Whipped Shea Butter Body Butter, the watermelon one. If you guys know like the body scrub from Tree Hut, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And then I came across the body butter, so I'm excited to like take a shower right now and like smother myself in this because it just smells so freaking good. If you guys come across the body butter, definitely pick it up because it's amazing. But that's pretty much all we did and all we bought today. I already showed them that. So thank you guys so much for following us along on this shopping day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want us to do, what you guys want to watch, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.